Uncover hidden property owner details instantly by simply entering an address into Dealmachine. First, launch the Dealmachine application on your mobile device or access the web portal from your computer. Once logged in, locate the search bar, typically at the top of the screen or accessible via the map view. Carefully type in the full property address you wish to research. As you type, Dealmachine will provide suggestions. Select the correct address from the drop-down list or directly from the map to pinpoint the property. After selecting the property, you'll be taken to its dedicated property details page. This page aggregates all available information about that specific parcel. On this page, scroll down until you find the owner information section. Here, you'll typically see the registered owner's name displayed clearly. Below the owner's name, Dealmachine often provides available contact details if these are not immediately visible, or if you need more comprehensive contact options. Look for a skip trace or contact info button. Clicking this will initiate a deeper search to retrieve phone numbers and email addresses, making your direct outreach efforts much more effective. And just like that, with a simple address, you can unlock crucial owner details directly within Dealmachine, empowering your property research and outreach strategies.